Sadness, feeling down, and having a loss of interest or pleasure in daily activities are familiar feelings for all of us. But if they persist and affect our life substantially, the issue may be depression. Depression is the main cause of disability worldwide, according to the World Health Organization. In this video, we'll talk about what depression is, what causes it, its signs and symptoms, and how to prevent depression. So let's start first with its definition. Depression is a mood disorder that involves a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest. It is different from the mood fluctuations that people regularly experience as a part of life. Depression is an ongoing problem, not a passing one. It consists of episodes during which the symptoms last for at least 2 weeks. Depression can last for several weeks, months, or years. The symptoms of depression can include a depressed mood, reduced interest or pleasure in activities once enjoyed, a loss of sexual desire, changes in appetite, unintentional weight loss or gain, sleeping too much or too little, agitation, restlessness and pacing up and down, slowed movement and speech, fatigue or loss of energy, feelings of worthlessness or guilt, difficult thinking, concentrating or making decisions, recurrent thoughts of death or suicide or an attempt at suicide. Symptoms of depression that tend to appear more often in females: irritability, anxiety, mood swings, fatigue, and ruminating. Symptoms of depression in males may include avoiding families and social situations, working without a break, having difficulty keeping up with work and family responsibilities, displaying abusive or controlling behavior in relationships. Male with depressions are more likely than females to drink alcohol in excess, display anger, and engage in risk-taking as a result of disorder. Symptoms of depression in college students may include difficulty concentrating on schoolwork, insomnia, sleeping too much, a decrease or increase in appetite, avoiding social situations and activities that they used to enjoy. While in children, symptoms can make schoolwork and social activities challenging. They may experience symptoms such as crying, low energy, clinginess, defiant behavior, vocal outbursts. Younger children may have difficulty expressing how they feel in words. This can make it harder for them to explain their feelings of sadness. The medical community does not fully understand the causes of depression. There are many possible causes, and sometimes various factors combine to trigger symptoms. Factors that are likely to play a role include genetic features, changes in the brain's neurotransmitter levels, environmental factors, psychological and social factors, additional conditions such as bipolar disorder. Do you or a loved one have depression? If so, you might know that treatments can help the condition. But what about ways to prevent it in the first place? There is no clear answer. There is no sure way to prevent depression. But you can find ways to handle stress and improve your self-esteem. Take good care of yourself, get enough sleep, eat well and exercise regularly. Reach out to family and friends when times get hard. Get regular medical checkups and see your provider if you don't feel right. Get help if you think you are depressed. If you wait, it could get worse. If you do have depression, you can also do a few things to keep it from getting worse. Try ways to fight stress like meditation and yoga. Spend time with family and friends. Think about joining a support group. Do things that keep you connected to others. Know yourself. Pay attention to the things that seem to make your symptoms worse. Keep notes and tell your doctor or therapist about it. Don't make big life decisions on a day when you are feeling down. Talk to your therapist or doctor about medicine that can stop depression from coming back. So this was all about depression. If you like the information, hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more such information.